Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to find what graphics card you have on your computer using Windows 10 or 11. This is very simple to do. You can just hit Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard or go on down to this little search icon and type in Task, Space, Manager, and then it should populate right here. Click it, and here's the Task Manager. Going down to Performance. Now locate your GPU. So you might have Intel UHD graphics that's internal on the system. And you might have something like this, like a NVIDIA GPU1 here. This says it's an GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU, and it's very easy to get the name of it. It should display in the top right here as well. And this one just says Intel UHD graphics, so it looks like I have two different graphics cards on my laptop. So this one is for gaming, and this is probably something else. You can see it's still using some 3D right here, and this one is also. And it says dedicated GPU memory. So you can look at the data around here. And hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.